Hi guys. I thought I'd talk to you a little bit today about what is used for spirit communication as far as herbs go. So, the number one that people always go to is dandelion or dandelion root. And that is true that dandelion is used for spirit communication and divination. But there's also quite a few others that people don't think about. One is juniper berries, another one is parsley, another one is mullein, and nightshade. And I am lucky enough to have gotten some nightshade recently, which is drying in the corner. So those are some herbs that are really good for spirit communication. Another one is basil, but a lot of people don't use it as often. It's more for ancestral communication than just spirit communication. So I just wanted to give you that little tidbit. I get asked that question quite often, and I thought that that would be a good bit of information to give out. Remember, you guys are divine and sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you so much. You're so blessed, and I hope you all know how blessed you are. I am so blessed because you watch my channel. So thank you for that. Thank you very much for watching and tuning in and supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you all. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit my little thumbs up. I love you guys dearly. Please have a blessed afternoon. Enjoy the week if you can. You know how Mondays go. They go that way for people who aren't even working yet. Trust me. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Love you.